Why learn web development? Because it's rare to find one skill that opens these many doors at once. A career, a creative outlet, a business of your own. Let's talk about what's actually possible. Web developers are some of the most in-demand professionals in the world right now. Whether you love design, logic, or both, there's a role for you. Front-end, back-end, full stack, often with the flexibility to work from anywhere. Code is also one of the most powerful creative tools you will ever learn. A blank screen becomes a portfolio, an app, a game, or a community built entirely from your own imagination. For entrepreneurs, code is leverage. You don't need to wait for funding or a big team. You can build your own product, launch it, and put it directly in front of customers, all on your own timeline. And this isn't a niche skill. Every industry, retail, healthcare, finance, media, education, runs on the web. Learning to build for it means your skills travel with you, no matter where your interests take you. Career growth, creative freedom, business opportunity, whatever your reason for being here, web development can get you there. Now that you know why it matters, let's pull back the curtain and see exactly how the web actually works.